Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your WeChat's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your WeChat's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. The home page of WeChat application will appear on the screen. You can log into your account using your WeChat account's password or through your SMS verification code. Tap on any one of the options. In case if you want to log into your account using your password, enter your password associated with your WeChat's account and tap on login. Or else tap on login via SMS verification code. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter verification code sent to your phone number and tap on login. This is how you can log into your WeChat's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.